Android app prompt generator. So this is all that you need to generate your prompts to create your Android app. Okay, so let me show you how you can get it. All that you have to do is simply go to ChatGPT, and then from where we have the chat box, simply come and then write this exact prompt. Okay, that is, write me a full detailed prompt for Google AI Studio build to create an Android app prompt generator. Okay, so you should ask for app name, the description, the package name, the theme, the features, layout, and then logic. And then generate a complete Android Studio project in Kotlin using Gemini CLI. Okay, the project must include the Gradle files, the manifest, the XML layout, colors, themes, strings, okay, data extraction rules, okay, and then you should also include a backup, okay, and then all of this, okay. So you can just pause the video and then write everything. There's not that much, okay. I try to pin the prompt that is in my previous video. I tried to pin it under the video comment section, but because of some challenges I wasn't able to pin it. That is why I'm making this video, to show you how to create the app generator prompt. Okay, so after that, come and then click on submit, and that is it. You see that ChatGPT is going to give you the prompt. Okay, so you see that this is the prompt. All that you have to do is simply come and then highlight everything, okay, from start to finish. Come and then right click here and then come and click on copy. So now we have our prompt. All that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and search for Google AI Studio and then hit enter. And then from here, come and select the official site of Google AI Studio. It will bring you right here to Google AI Studio. All that you have to do is simply come and click on the menu. It will display all of these, okay. And among them, come and select the build. And then come here to where you have the build apps with Gemini. Simply come and then paste in the prompt that we copied right here, just like this. And after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the run prompt, okay. And that is it. It is going to build your Android app prompt. Okay, simply come and then click on full screen, and you can start using the Android prompt app prompt generator. Okay, so like the video. If you have any questions, leave in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.